up, y'all? So, last time we did a few things. Well, when I went away from the recording thing, I did a few things. The first thing I did was, 1 second, let me move some stuff around. Oh, we gotta wait for Visual Studios to open up. So, the first thing I did was I fixed this function, right? So, the def run function, what I did was called app.run, and I gave it the host IP of, well, whatever the user IP is, which it will print the IP, and then I said port 5000, blah 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 blah, and gave it a debug value of true, right? And then right here we say start server.start and server.kill. Server.kill is going to kill the process that's currently running, which is the most important. So since we have the function all set up, because it will work, and a good example of that is, let's just open this up and let's just do this. It's working. So it printing this 10.00.154 is showing our IP address, but it's also showing the fact that it is working, because if it wasn't working, right. Anyways, so now we can do something else. Now this is when we're going to make our Kivy application, because the Kivy application is going to start and stop our server, which is most important. So to start it, we are going to, 1 second, let me open up a quick Kivy app that I did so I can remember all the stuff I've done previously. 1 second, y'all. That's alright. So I know what stuff that I need to add. Open. And just close. Alright. It should open up real quick. Good. We have it open up and we have it correctly running. Oh, my bad. I forgot to set the timer. Alright, let me just set the timer for 10 minutes. And we'll be ready to go. So what we're going to do today is get the Kivy app up and running. Because once we get the Kivy app up and running, then we can click a button that will turn off the server, and click another button that will turn it on. So let me set the timer. This timer is set for 10 minutes. And now we can get coding. So first we say, let's just import all the necessary Kivy app stuff. From Kivy.app imports app. No, my bad. App. From Kivy.base imports run touch app from. What am I even doing? Let's just copy and paste all of this. Yes, perfect. So we start right here. Now we have all our needed functions, and we're only going to have one screen for our Kivy app, so that's why we only need one screen. So to do this, what we're going to do is call class server and give it an app, right? Oof. And then we'll use dev.build, at least that's what I think we use. Correct Mondo. Dev.build self. And once we do that, we'll call window.bind on request My bad, y'all. No request close equals to self dot close when def dot close self. Bless me. Oh Lord. Self dot close self dot close when, and we just do self dot args, and we say self dot text pop title equals to exit and text equals to, oh Lord, are you sure? Def text pop okay, next text pop equals to title, no, title equals to self. Oh Lord, what happened to my typing skills? Title equals to her, text equals to her, and then box. What am I even doing? I could just copy and paste the whole thing. Okay. I just got the copy and paste joke I saw on Instagram once. I know you don't need this part. Alright. That is basically it. So now we have done this. We have set the request. Now we can start making our screen. Our only screen. So to make our only screen, we just need one button. Well, we're actually going to need more than one screen, but for now we're just going to make one screen. And that one screen is just literally just going to be self.name equals the grid layout. In a second, I gotta see if grid layout need any extra functions or stuff like that. Grid layout. Yeah. One column, rows. How many rows do we need? We need calls equals to 1, rows. We need the text to say server isn't running and server is running. Right? Also, we need one to show our IP address, so we need 3 columns. Alright? Self dot server text equals to label, I guess. Text equals to server is running. Wait, it's not running. So I mean, let's add widget equals to server text, and we are done. And then we have self that was IP address text equal label text equals to IP. So that wasn't so hard. So the IP has text, and then lastly self dot button. Yes, because we don't need to change server button equals to button text equals to start server background, setting button's background color. I know I had it in here. So this is how I code all the time. One time, just typing. And this next I'm just looking through old code because some of this stuff I already did. So there's no need for me to just memorize the whole thing. It's a waste of time and memory space. So I just keep mental notes of what some of my projects are and how they relate to each other, so I can use them next time. Buttons, color, button, where's the button? Uninitial username, password, no. I need color. I know I use color. Stores, invest. One button was green. I know that for sure. Jesus, now you gonna be slow? Oh, I hate when things are being slow. How many minutes we got left? We got one. We got 1.3 minutes. Okay, so we can do this. Stores. Hey, this should be it. Background color. Exactly. Background color. COL. Ooh. OLOR equals to. Now we want the background colors to be green. That's a nice color. 1 second. I don't think we can capitalize it. Green. I like that color. We can change it to red whenever we change the thing to red. Okay? And now we say self that's main dot add widget. Come on, you're not gonna give me the add widget, bitch? Jesus. Main dot add widget equals to self dot server button. Wait a minute. Oh, that's basically it. Self dot return self dot main. My bad. Self dot main. And then here, that's basically our whole server, y'all. We built that server now in like 10 minutes. Ha ha ha. Okay, so the timer just rang, which means it's almost time for it to be over. And what we are going to do before that is just we are going to run the runs on release. Actually, we're not going to put this on release on yet because that's going to waste our time and give us errors. So this should work. If I know you are not lagging, it does this every time. Every time I record it, it just starts lagging. Like, what is your point? Alright, if we just run, oh my bad, we almost forgot. We forgot, y'all. Okay, we just gonna double quote this. Alright, and next we will rock it. Okay, anyways, so we're going to say server equals, wait. That's the whole program, y'all. See? I knew we could do it. Alright, and now we just run. It's gonna take some time for it to load because it's the first time we loaded our Kivy app for this. So give it a quick minute and it should be ready. Ooh, Lord. I almost fell my stuff. I almost fell my phone accidentally. Rock you, do. Wait, there's something I forgot about. We did not have this yet, but we will need it, but not for our server. Come on, it's taking too long. But while we are waiting, y'all should go down to the like button, give it a good thumbs up, and also comment down below. If I make a mistake, please comment down below because I would not be able to notice it until I check later, which I know is kind of a waste of time, but still. Tell me what your thoughts are about the name. And again, I apologize for the last video because I know I said I'll only take 10 minutes and it's been past 10 minutes. Now we're into 13 minutes. That's cool. Oh, you're taking too long. We will rock you. This is why I do not like GUIs. You take too long to load. You heard that? You take too long. They gotta load everything. Very aggravating if you ask me. And of course you didn't ask me. Anyways. Anytime soon, y'all. Just saying. I feel like I'm a very... Okay, it just started. Yes, sir. Sir. Get it. Let's get it. Oh. What's the problem? Line 54. What does it say? Server, blah, 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 nothing here. LAVELTEXT equals just to make sure we got it right, we're just gonna copy and paste this, and we'll just add it to here. Oh shoot, there should be no difference, right? And now we just got to make sure. That's wonder. So now we're gonna read the error again, because people wanted to be bitches. 245 event dispatcher. What was the event called? The event was called for grid layout. Call grid layout, add widget. So something is telling me this was for the grid layout. Let me see a grid layout. For a grid layout. Oh, I said row instead of rows. I wasn't even thinking about it. There you have it, kids. Your spelling is important. I shouldn't be the one to talk. It's like I really cannot spell, but still, very, very important. And yay. See, we got it. Server is not running. We click this, the server starts running. So that's it for now. So, Lord, I just threw away my watch. So next video, what we are going to do is give our server not some instructions, but give it the capability of starting and stopping the server, which is very important, guys. It's very important. Because if we give our server that capability, that means that we could start with cloud classification and anybody can join in it. They just need the IP address, which is this right over here, 10.0 blah blah blah, and we can start going. So I will see y'all next time. I'm going to end this video right here. Peace, y'all.